Aloha and mahalo for joining me. I'm Janin, and today I want to talk to you about showing your undergarments and your bra and things like that. Now, what I see a lot is girls and women wearing t-shirts or tank tops or things that have small straps, and they're wearing their bra that have the straps like this showing. Now, some people may think that there's no problem with that, but it is a problem because you shouldn't be showing your underwear. It's not attractive and nobody wants to see what you have on underneath. Now, this is not common to see white with white. What I see a lot is all these colorful bra straps, and you can see through the t-shirt too. And a lot of times it's not only t-shirt material that people are wearing. A lot of times it's a nice fabric, it's a nice blouse, but women aren't wearing strapless bras. They are wearing a regular bra that has the straps that are showing. Now, I see this quite a bit, and if you can see, it looks even more terrible on the back because you have the slider and all of that. Some bras, are different where the sliders are on the front, some are on the back, some of them are down closer to the strap that goes around the body. But this is really common with what I see. Sometimes I see black bras, colorful bras with a white shirt. The bra is not even matching the shirt, or the bra is not even skin tone. So I want to talk to you about that today, because why would you do that? It's really not a look that people want to see, because what happens is when you're wearing your bra straps, a regular bra, and your bra straps are showing, usually people are not paying attention to the pretty blouse that you have on. They're usually paying attention to the bra straps that are usually a funky color or an opposite color of the blouse or opposite of your skin tone. So what's happening is all they're paying attention to is your underwear. And this blouse in particular, it's so thin that you can actually see the bra and the outline. Now, to some people, they might think that that's fine and that's up to you. Like I always say, if you feel like what you're wearing is going to make you happy, then you should do what makes you happy. But for the most part, for most other people, I think they're just not taught that you shouldn't be wearing a bra with straps like this and showing it. You should be wearing a strapless bra. And, it really makes a big difference in how you feel. Now, if you're one of those that are wearing a t-shirt spaghetti strap and your bra is showing, please, please, please wear a strapless bra instead. It really does make a difference in how you feel about yourself and how people perceive you, especially when people are looking at you. They're not paying attention to your face or your pretty blouse. They're usually paying attention to the bra straps because something's not right. Usually if you're dressing and something's not right with how you're dressing, for some reason, human nature, we automatically go and pay attention to the thing that's not right. Now, I'm not a psychologist, so I don't understand any of that. But that's just what happens when you get dressed, is that you want to be able to dress so that people are paying attention to the outfit, and you want them to look at your face first before they look at your bra straps that are showing or anything else that's showing, right? You don't want to show too much cleavage because you don't want people only paying attention to your cleavage. You want them to pay attention to you. You want them to value you. You don't want them to value you because you have your breasts hanging out or you have your stomach or anything else hanging out. You want people to pay attention to what you have to offer and what's in your heart and what's in your mind. So please, it's really not a good thing to be showing bra straps or any of your underwear. Now, sometimes people actually feel like they can get away with it because they'll wear a jacket over this. But a lot of times when you're moving, the jacket opens and you can still see the bra straps, and then sometimes you're in a certain situation where it gets hot, so you want to take off your jacket, and people aren't going to really care when they're hot, thinking, oh, I'm showing my bra strap, so I don't want to take off my jacket. If you're hot, most of the times you're going to take off your jacket, right? So pay attention to those kinds of things, like don't show your underwear, because it's very distracting as well. You don't want people to be distracted by those things that are really not appealing. And it doesn't make the outfit that you're wearing look nice either. It just takes away from your nice outfit that you have on. So please, 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 if you know anybody who is dressing like that, please share this video. Please help them to realize that it's not okay to show your bra straps. There are better ways of dressing. You want to be able to dress so that you feel good, and you present yourself to the world where it looks like you're taking care of yourself, right? Where you're not showing those kind of things. So please, please share this video with friends and family or anybody else you know that can get great value out of it. And so please subscribe to this channel. Please like it and share it. And I also have a 20-minute complimentary session that if you're interested and you feel like you want to work with me, I have the link in this video. You can go ahead and click on it and fill it out, and it'll come straight to me, and I will be in contact with you. We can talk, and I can see if we're a good fit, that we can work together, or I can help you with dressing, how to dress well. If you need help with planning out how to plan your life out and take care of yourself and how you dress as well, please click on the link. It'll come straight to my inbox, and I will be in contact with you. I would love to help you. I love teaching women how to dress well and how they can create a life that they love so that they can feel joy and happiness. And I thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Aloha.